In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google keeps signing you out 5 minutes. If Google keeps logging you out on your computer, the cause is usually corrupted cookies, a problematic extension, an outdated browser, or a security mismatch in your account. We'll go through a quick sequence in Chrome that fixes nearly all cases. Follow along on desktop. The names may vary slightly in other browsers. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. In the left sidebar, open Privacy and Security because that's where Chrome manages cookies and site data. Next, clear the data that stores your session. Click Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog, select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then confirm with Delete Data. You don't need to clear passwords or autofill here if you don't want to. This will sign you out of sites in this browser, but it also removes any corrupted cookie that can force repeated logouts. After this completes, sign into your Google account again so Chrome can save a fresh session. Now rule out extensions. Extensions can inject code that interrupts authentication. Return to the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions, and temporarily disable your add-ons by toggling them off. Ad blockers and privacy tools are common culprits. Test Google again. If the issue disappears, re-enable extensions one by one to find the one causing trouble or keep the problematic one off. Make sure Chrome itself isn't the problem. Open the menu, hover over Help, then click About Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically and prompt you to relaunch if an update is available. Running the latest version ensures your sign-in uses current security protocols and bug fixes. With the browser healthy, verify your Google account security. Click your profile picture at the top right of any Google page and choose Manage your Google account. Open the security section. Under your devices, click Manage all devices and review what's signed in. If you see any device you don't recognize, remove it to invalidate those sessions. If you use two-step verification, confirm you have trusted devices set up so legitimate logins aren't challenged in a way that ends up logging you out. While you're here, check that your password is strong and up to date. That's it. Clear cookies, disable troublesome extensions, update Chrome, and tidy up your account's device list and security settings. After completing these steps, sign in again and you should stay signed in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Google sessions stable.